Hello, this is my hotel in Sanur on Bali in Indonesia. So this is the view from the door. So there's a bed. Now they called it a single bed, but it looks like a double to me. Maybe they just meant like one bed. We have a side table, a lamp, a really big mirror, some dressers, a pretty big fridge, let's see, what is this called? A cabinet. Hello. Let's see. Okay. And then, so there's no TV in here. But back here, we've got the bathroom with, let's see, the combo shower toilet, although this one's pretty large. And it's got more hanger things in it. So it looks like no soap and barely any toilet paper, so I'm gonna have to ask for more of that. I do have like body soap, but I don't know, I thought they would give me hand soap at least. And then back here is like a kitchen for some reason. I don't remember seeing this on the listing. I do have a washing up liquid. I guess I can wash my hands with that, but it's got like kitchen stuff. I don't remember ordering that. And then this is the view from the back window, and here's the view from this window. Okay. And then this window, that's the pool out there. So yeah, the door lock is not that great, but everything else seems fine. But I am going to need more toilet paper because that's not even enough for tonight probably. It's like well, maybe, but still.